It's a bag, a key holder. Have to pick one, this or this. Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, just to inform you guys that I'll be having a discount on my wigs. It's like an Easter discount on my wigs on my website. So make sure when you check out, when you order a product on my website, when you check out, use this coupon code right here, Easter 15, to get a discount. Just make sure you do that when checking out. Don't come later guys and tell me you didn't see the discount or you don't know about the coupon code. Please use that code on the website. I'll also put it on notice on my website, so that when you check out, you know you have to put the coupon code to get the 15% off. And then I also realize most of my clients, anytime I have a sale or I have a discount on my website, they come later and complain I didn't inform them. So I just want to appreciate you guys for your support, and thank you so much for buying my wigs. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And then I'll also be giving away some of my products. Unfortunately this time I'll give it to one person. I really wasn't prepared for this giveaway, but I'll give it to one person. I always love when I give away my products to like 3 people. I always feel like it makes sense when I give to 3 people, but now in today's video I'll be giving away the products to one person. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 products. I'll be giving them to one person. Giving away a bag, a key holder, a human hair. You have to choose either a straight or this hair right here, and an Ankara dress. You have to pick it from my website, and one braided wig. It's this handbag right here. This is the handbag. It's an size sole. It's called a kyondo here in my country. Right, that is a small kyondo, but you can fit so many things. Let me just see if I can put some things here, like my phones. It's actually big. It's not that small. Let me try and put these 2 wigs right here. It's not but it's not that small bag. You can put a cloth inside. You can put you know, when you're going for a sleepover, it can still work like that. I haven't arranged them well, but as you can see, it is very, very big. And then another thing, a kyondo, an African key holder. I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's here. This African key holder. An African key holder. Human hair, short afro human hair. I did share a video with you on my, like, I think last week. Yeah, this one. So you have to take this one. And then another thing, short human hair right here, or this long one. So you just have to pick one, this or this. And then an Ankara dress, I'll put my link, my website link in the description box down below, so that you can choose the Ankara dress that you prefer. And then one braided wig, this one. Okay guys, so just comment for you to participate on this giveaway. Just make sure you comment down below where you're watching me from and why you love my channel. I think that's all, just simple as that. And then I'll pick a winner randomly. As usual, I just always like scroll on the comment section and pick a winner randomly. Okay guys, so make sure you participate if you're interested. Guys, I just want to appreciate you guys for your support. I think some of my clients are actually my friends. They're not just my clients. I just appreciate. Thank you for everything guys. Nawapenda sana. I love you guys. So again guys, make sure you use the coupon code if you want to get the 15% off. Use the coupon code Easter15 to get the 15% discount on your orders. Okay, yeah, so please make sure you use it. Don't come later after you've ordered on the website and then come later on and tell me you didn't put the discount code. Please, I think that will make work easier for me. If you just do the correct thing on the website, use the coupon code Easter15. And this discount will be from today until 20th of April next week. Again, another thing guys, on my previous sale when I make a video, some people come to me like a month or 2 months later, and then they tell me, why did you say like the wig is maybe $29 and then right now the wig is maybe $35? Please also note the period or the time for the discount or the period for the sale. Please also note that. And what else? Yeah, so I'll also, if you're interested in any of my products, if you don't want to participate on the giveaway, I'll put my website link in the description box down below as well, so that you know you don't get scammed, because I also know some people are using my photos, so just be aware. But I think I thank God for the past few months I haven't received so many complaints of people being scammed, because I think people are getting to know my channel. And yeah. So just make sure you participate, okay? Yeah, that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.